Hi friends, welcome to Weekly Thoughts. Today we are going to talk about Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Okay, let's go on to this video. BHEL is one of the largest electrical equipment manufacturing industries in India. BHEL is engaged in the design, engineering, manufacturing, construction, testing, commissioning, etc. etc. BHEL has a network of 16 manufacturing units, 2 repair units, 4 regional offices, 8 service centers, etc. etc. BHEL established the capacity to deliver over 20,000 megawatt per annum of power equipment to address the growing demand of power generation. Its market leadership over 2015 to 2016 is with 74% market share in the power sector. So it's one of the biggest power generating sectors in India. Then its total revenue is 21,000 crore per year. Okay. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has an upper hand in manufacturing the gas and steam turbines, boilers, electric motor, electric locomotives like trains, generator, heat exchangers, switch gears, etc. It has also been exporting its power and industry segment products and services for over 40 years. BHEL's global references are spread across over 76 countries across all the 6 continents of the world. The cumulative overseas installed capacity of BHEL manufactured power plants exceeds over 9,000 megawatt across 21 countries including Malaysia, Oman, Iraq, UAE, Bhutan, Egypt and New Zealand. Their physical exports range from turnkey projects to after sales services. So BHEL is one of the hardcore electrical company to watch out for every electrical engineer in India. Okay, now I wish to like to tell about the history of the BHEL. BHEL was established in 1956 selling a heavy electrical equipment industry in India. Heavy Electricals India Limited was merged with BHEL in 1974. When it was set up in 1956, BHEL was envisaged as a plain manufacturing PSU with technological help from Soviet Union, current Russia. In 1980s, it was a cutting-edge in thyristor technology. In 1991, BHEL was officially converted into a public service union. Over time, it developed the capability to produce a variety of electrical, electronic, and mechanical equipment for various sectors. ISRO projects are also being supported by BHEL, including BHEL as also some of the various BHEL products are also used in transmission, transportation, oil and gas and other allied industry. However, the bulk of the company's revenue is still derived from the sale of power generation equipment such as turbines and boilers, which are basically used in all kinds of power plant equipments. As of 2017, equipment supplied by BHEL constituted around 55% of the total installed power generation capacity in India. The company also supplies electric locomotives to the Indian Railways and defense equipment such as super rapid gun mount, naval guns manufactured in partnership with the Ordnance Factory Board and simulators to the Indian Armed Forces. Now I am going to talk about the BHEL stock price. Currently the BHEL stock price is 52 rupees. Compared to the performance of the previous years, its stock price is slightly lesser than. So it is good to consider that if you want to buy BHEL stock price, you should have a steady future plans. So if the company's profit and net worth grow, the price of the BHEL stocks will also be in a considerable growth. If you are planning for a long-term investment, you can trust in BHEL and you can also read about the future plans of BHEL to trust and buy stocks of BHEL. Okay, let's we talk about the future plans of BHEL. The new management, led by Dr. Nalin Singhal, has various future prospects. The COVID-19 situation will not impact any projects as they are large engineering projects. However, revenue impact could be there due to factory shutdowns and decreased government expenditure on infrastructure in the future. National infrastructure pipeline plans of overall thermal capacities going up. Hence, old power plants should shut and new power plants will commission to start. So, 48 gigawatt worth of opportunity exists for BHEL if this happens in a proper manner. Out of the total inner 1.07 trillion government order book, BHEL is favorably placed in around 130 billion worth of orders. According to other PSUs, BHEL plays an important role in this one. Employee headcount currently stood at 34,500. Management expects around 500 to 600 employee retirements every year. Also, the company is trying to bring down its fixed cost, which currently forms 75% of the total expenses. BHEL has growth opportunities, but they are mainly driven by government projects which do not have significant profitability. The company is also facing strong competition for private projects. Therefore, this category get 2 stars.